Kirana billing software with POS, billing and inventory management. Logic ERP, the most advanced Kirana billing software for complete Kirana store management. Packed with everything you need: fast billing, advanced inventory management, CRM and loyalty, schemes and discounts, weighing scale integration, accounting, GST, and flexible mobile reporting all in one system. Billing. Fast and easy billing, multiple payment modes, customizable invoice formats. Real-time sales tracking, seamless integration, integrated with Paytm, PayU, Pine Labs, Razorpay. Point of sale. Advanced and fully configurable POS system, multiple views, touch, mobile POS. Flexible schemes and promotions, weighing scale integration, conversion factors. Aaptak app for online ordering and home delivery app. Cashier shift system, expiry prompt. Inventory management. Batch-wise, MRP-wise stock, import item masters from Excel, fully customizable barcode generation. Dead, slow-moving stock reporting and management, bulk updates of rates through Excel, tight control of return items. Import purchase from external file, e-commerce integration, pre-configured templates with 16,000 plus SKUs already added. Loyalty and coupon management. Inbuilt loyalty system for points accrual and redemption, customizable configuration, brand, category-wise membership packages. Discount coupons and gift vouchers, OTP-based points and coupon redemption, manual discount entry approval through mobile app or OTP. Customized feedback and surveys, instant feedback at POS, integrated with third-party loyalty programs. Reporting. Pre-configured reporting template, configurable reports and dashboards, mobile reporting app. Email reports with auto-report mailer, power reports and dashboards, export to Excel, HTML, PDF. Accounting and financial management. Journal entries, cash, bank vouchers, bills receivables, payables, balance sheet, P&L, ratio analysis. Cost centers, e-file GST returns, generate e-way bills. Seamless integrations. Top supermarket, grocery and Kirana brands achieving remarkable business growth with Logic ERP implementation. Trusted by industry leaders, driven by results. Why choose Logic ERP software for your Kirana retail business? 30 plus years of ERP excellence. 200 plus experienced ERP experts. Easy personalization and deployment. Personalized training and support. Fast and easy implementation. Digital-ready ERP with third-party plugins and API. Let's start your Kirana business growth story with Logic ERP. Book a free ERP live demo. Call us at +91 734 114 1175 or 76. Send your inquiries to sales@logicERP.com. Get Logic ERP software today.